Hello everybody. Today we have a 2013 Lincoln Navigator. We're going to take a look at the driver power seat. In this particular Navigator, when I bought it, it had about 100,000 miles on it. And the power seat controllers all function properly, okay? This one, of course, it inflates the lumbar. This, of course, tilts the seat up and back, okay? And this right here is a four-way. It's forward, backwards, this goes up and down, and if you push the button here, it should lift the front of the seat up and the front of the seat down. This one lifts kind of the back part of the seat up and the back part of the seat down. But however, when I pushed it up, I couldn't get the vehicle seat to move up. So we're going to take a few steps. I'm going to show you how to investigate it and how not to damage it. I'm going to show you how to get this off. And this is kind of where the control module is and what I was going to show you how to reach at. Just stick your hand down here behind the seat, and you can see you can kind of press your finger here and pop it out. And when you do, you'll see it's just got a couple little clips that support it. And that pulls the entire control module out. Now this is your memory seat module, so you want to be careful with that one. But this is the power module, okay? This entire strip right here. And it plugs in, and what all those motors are doing, they're getting power from right here and getting the signal it needs to make the connection to move. So if you have a problem, likely that you have a problem with this box right here. So this will be the next step, to pull that part number, take this box and see if you can get one off eBay or Amazon, or if you want to go by the Ford store, great, and see if you can replace this part. I'd encourage you to get a new one just so you be guaranteed that it works. Now that we know our motors work, I'm pretty confident I have something wrong with this little box. So I'm just going to pop it out of here, and then we'll replace it. I'm going to show you how these things work. This is a little cover, and it just snaps right on top of these two little knobs that stick out. And they've kind of got a little bit of a tab. You see that little groove back here? This little thing, when you put it over, it just clips and snaps on there. So the way you get it off, you just take your screwdriver and you just reach behind here and you just gently, not to scratch your plastic, just gently twist it, and when you do, it'll pop it right off. You just kind of reach behind there, rotate the screwdriver gently, work both sides, since you don't want to kick it up and break one. Just twist it, and then it'll pop right off. In order to get this little thing out, what I do is I just take a screwdriver and I just slip it down here, and once again just kind of twist it, and you'll see the little locking tabs that are here, and then you will be able to pop this module out. Okay, I'm going to show you the step that I learned. It's going to be quick. If this works, you are back in business. If not, you probably can just change the controller out by either buying a used one or a new one. But here's a little trick I learned. Once you get the controller off, okay, it's got some tabs right along the side here. Then you can see the tabs. They hold it inside this little cover, okay? You can then take this thing off. You see that? It's got little toggle switches in here that take the seat up or down, side to side, this sort of thing, okay? Go to the store, buy some electronics cleaner. It's QD electronics cleaner, okay? You can take it, and what you want to do is just squirt it really good inside all the little places around each one of these little toggle controllers. You can see you might want to toggle it here, and then just take it and spray it right down inside that little bitty opening. Toggle it back the other way, spray them down really good. Now this stuff evaporates really quickly, so do it in an open area of space. Don't do it in your car or in your house. Do it outside. And then I'm going to show you the trick. You can see it works now. With this little circuit board being off, you can see a bit better. Here's my forward backwards. Seat goes up, seat goes back, up, down. This little toggle switch works. It just was full of gunk or dust or grime over time. This little circuit board is like anything else. It just probably gets dirty and hard for the contactors to make good contact. And when that happens, then your seat's not going to move. So I talked earlier about how important this is. So we're going to put all these little pieces back together. Everything just snaps back on. I recommend going ahead and cleaning inside here once you get it out really good. Get any of that dust and grime. Just take you a little brush, maybe some soap and water, and kind of rinse that out really good. Just being down on the side of the seat, it's the first thing to kind of catch a lot of drinks that spill or anything here. So just a note. We're going to put it back together. Okay, we got everything kind of put back in the compartment, got everything plugged back up. We went ahead and put all of our switches back on, so you'll be able to see that. We're just going to snap it right back into place. See that? And then you'll see this. here we go. Seat moves, up, down, forward, backwards, and then of course inflate. But here we go. Up, down. Look at that. Good feeling. Everything works great. Hope that's helpful. Y'all have a great afternoon, and we'll catch you next time.